Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Figma unexpected error issues in 2026. If Figma suddenly shows an unexpected error message, fails to load features, or stops working correctly, this guide will help you solve the problem step by step. First, refresh the Figma page or restart the desktop application. Temporary glitches are often the cause of unexpected errors. Next, check your internet connection and make sure it's stable. Connection interruptions can prevent Figma from communicating properly with its servers. Now sign out of your Figma account and sign back in. This can refresh your session and resolve temporary account-related issues. If you're using Figma in a browser, clear your cache and cookies. Corrupted browser data can sometimes trigger unexpected errors. Next, try opening Figma in a different browser or an incognito window to rule out browser-related problems. Now disable VPN services, proxy settings, or browser extensions that may interfere with Figma's functionality. If you're using the desktop application, make sure it's updated to the latest version available. Next, check whether the issue occurs in all files or only one specific project. This can help identify whether the problem is file-related. Now restart your computer to clear temporary system issues and refresh background processes. Finally, wait a few minutes and try again, as temporary server-side issues can occasionally cause unexpected errors. And that's it. You've successfully fixed Figma unexpected error issues. Figma should now work normally without displaying error messages. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.